Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick wireless and networks, and then go to personal hotspot right here. So all you have to do to activate Wi-Fi hotspot is to tap on the switcher right next to the personal hotspot. Here it is. And that's it. Now you can share network with your friends with other devices, and you can see the sign right here. Then to switch off portable hotspot, just tap on the same switcher one more time. What is more, you can also change the device's name and the password. So all you have to do is to click on device name, then delete the current one, and now enter a new one. Click on save to save the changes, and also you can change the password. Just click on password, delete the current one, and enter a new one. You just have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. So once it's done, just click on save, and this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate personal hotspot, and also how you can set it up. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.